Today I'm reviewing the Courtney topper from Uniwigs in Permafrost, 16 inches, with a left part, or I should say it's the Courtney upgrade. So this is it right here. I'm just gonna bring in a close-up. You can kind of see the texture of the hair. It's very soft, very it's real human hair, and feels very silky. Now this is not right out of the box, because I've put on the Uniwigs silicone patch, which you can get on the website, and it helps the part line to look a little bit more natural. It has 4 clips, 2 here and then 2 right here. And now I'm going to put this on so you can see this up close. I'm going to kind of line this up with my natural hairline. Give it a little brush. And you can see that it stays on your head pretty well. It's not really moving at all. I'm just going to do a little walk around. Very comfortable on. Sometimes I need to adjust where it sits on my head so that it looks like it really is my own hair. This so far has been one of my favorites. I think Permafrost is one of my favorite colors. I have more toppers to review that I'll be giving you shortly. Thanks.